Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for all the subscription. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I'll ask that you do so. Thank you for taking our time to listen to our conversations previously. We have been talking about dementia awareness. We've talked about what is dementia, types and forms of dementia, the dementia experience, laws associated with dementia, and we talked about the Mental Capacity Act. We looked at the lasting power of Anthony. We looked at advanced decision and advanced statement. They are all on my bio. You can check them out, and I'm sure you'll have a fantastic time doing that. I also did a fantastic series. I know it's fantastic because I've gotten nice recommendation and replies on it, on fall type of falls, fall prevention, and all of those conversations. Just check on my bio. So in today's session, I would like to start with a question. Have you ever been in a conversation with your loved ones or with your friends, and you are trying to communicate something and words fail you? You had to either kick or punch or just gesticulate something, and they were able to understand you. If this has happened to you and is a common experience with you, I would like to ask you, why do you think that people living within the healthcare system or within a care facility, why do you think they shouldn't do same because you are an healthcare worker? Words fail them to communicate. Because of the cognitive impairment, they will have to use non-verbal means to communicate their needs, their wants. So it is very important that we understand this concept, because larger part of us as human, when we communicate, we use more of our body language, not primarily speaking. So when people, our elderly ones, when they are living with dementia, it affects the mind, it affects the brain. So sometimes speech communication is reduced or is low. So therefore, they will resort to other forms of expression. So when you see someone who is giving repetitive conversation, you should not be angry. If you see someone that is restless, you should not be angry. Or someone you term challenging, you should not be angry, because all of this behavior is aiming to communicate something. My question or my advice will be, try to look through the behavior and ask yourself, what is this person trying to communicate? And you get the announcement. Thank you very much. You're welcome.